When feeling stressed about college, the Texas State Bobcats in San Marcos have a few traditions, like shaking the president's hand for good luck. I'm going to be showing you the good, the bad, and the interesting here at Texas State.
I can't say how popular this is, but you know the big horse statue like in front of Alkek, the library? I've heard that right before you graduate, you go right next to it, and you slap it on the nuts.
To celebrate their graduation, students will jump into the river after walking the stage.
I jumped in the river with my friend when she graduated, so like half partaken in that, but it's fun, and I mean it's such like a iconic place at Texas State. Like what other campus has such a beautiful river running through it where the water is 72 degrees year round and like everybody hangs out there, so I think it's super cool.
The jumping in the river tradition is about the same.
Yeah.
I mean, there's not much to really just jumping in the river. But yeah, a lot of times people will jump by themselves, they'll jump with their friends. I've seen people jump in with family too. So yeah, it's a good time that just happens, and it's like honestly in the middle of like May or early June, jumping in the river after being in a really hot gown. It's very satisfying to do that.
But before they get to that point, Bobcats have to make it through finals week. Graduate digital media communications student Matilda Savon speaks on how the president can turn the odds in their favor.
I of course shook LBJ's hand on the way to a final. Never gone out of my way to actually shake his hand if my final wasn't like close to it, but every time I pass it, I'm on my way to a final, you bet I'll be shaking his hand.
LBJ statue providing a boost of confidence to stressed out students to the final boost of adrenaline of jumping into the river on graduation day. These traditions are what keeps the community in this campus alive. I'm the Carter Grimes. Let's keep these traditions going. Eat 'em up, cats.